This hair is super bomb, it's super affordable. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder because I'm just like eating down. Hey guys, it's Naomi Charmaine and welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all this beautiful Amazon wig. Ooh, baby. Beautiful, inexpensive Amazon wig. If y'all know me by now, if y'all have been subscribed for a while, y'all know I love a good inexpensive wig because I just feel like sometimes you don't feel like spending $800 on a wig. Sometimes you want to just spend a couple $100 and, you know, throw it on or whatever and just, you know, have your go-to. And this is definitely my go-to. This is the second time that I have worn this this hair. I wore this hair around this time last year when I went to see Drake, and I really enjoyed the hair. So I thought, why not get it again? So I wore this hair for Valentine's Day. I really love it. It's super soft. Of course, it's super long. And this wig is 30 inches and it's only about $180 plus tax. So it's really affordable and I'm just in love with it. I really love this hair. I was like, why not? I'm gonna give it another shot. And this time I'm gonna record it because last time I think I just vlogged it and I just, you know, showed myself and saw in the wig, but I was like, let me do a dedicated video. But like I said, this hair is super bomb, it's super affordable. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder because I'm just like eating down. Yes, babe, this is from Amazon, okay? Go get it. But enough talking. If you are interested to see how I install this wig, stay tuned. All right, y'all, let's get right into this install. This hair is from DIXTEFO hair, 30 inches, 200% density. But y'all know I always keep it real with y'all. I feel like this hair wasn't really giving 200%. It was giving more of a 180, but it's still a beautiful wig. Just keep that in mind when you purchase. Now, I don't know if I'm super late with the Bestiess lace glue spray, but it literally is the best. I went into my local beauty supply store the last time I installed a wig and they ran out of the Eben, so I was like, I guess I'll just get this. But it's literally tea. If y'all haven't tried it, go try it out. But I'm just going in with a few coats of the lace spray to ensure that I have a great bald cap installation. And I actually really love this bald cap that they gave me. I love a good sheer bald cap because I feel like it just looks better when installing wigs. But I don't use a blow dryer. I let it air dry for about 20 to 25 minutes and then I move on to the next step. Now, y'all know this would not be a wig install video without the Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I am in the shade 12 and I use the darkest shade that comes in the little container. I go in with this makeup all around my cap. I make sure I am getting around the edges as well. I always say to myself, if I don't look bald, then I didn't do it right. Then I didn't do enough. So I keep going around and around until I feel like I look bald. So I used to put makeup on my lace, but I fell in love with this exact lace tint for my wigs. I just love how it's just like the perfect color for my skin. So I always go in with my lace tint and then go ahead and put that on my head, and it's always the perfect shade. y'all, I'm not a hairstylist, so when I cut my lace, it did lift. So I went back in with glue, and this is just works for me, y'all. Send me tips on how, my lace cannot lift after I cut the lace off. I don't know. But I went back in and I glued back down my lace. And honestly, y'all, from here, it's giving melt. All right, it's giving melted. I did feel like I could pluck a little bit more. So I wanted to wait until the wig was on my head so I can really see. So I just go back in and pluck just a little bit more. So right here, y'all, I was really trying to figure out if I wanted to go with the no baby hair look. I was just kind of combing it back and moving, my little side piece to the front of my ear to see like if it was giving enough. I just been loving the no baby hair look. Like, it just looks so clean, and I just really like that. But in this moment, I was just like, is the forehead big, baby? I just didn't know. So I was kind of playing around with it to see if that's really what I wanted to go for. And there you have it. Hair is eating down, hair is giving, hair looks luscious, it looks soft, it's bouncy, it's eating down, it's giving. This is definitely my go-to hair whenever I want to bust down 30-inch and I don't want to pay $800. Please make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one.